Well, today it's raining. Periods of rain. And yes, I am gathering some rainwater, drop by drop, inch by inch, or millimeter by millimeter of rain. But I'm gonna do something with some of it right now. And you're watching Creative Redundancy, the one known as CR. And I appreciate everyone dropping by. It's raining outside, and I am gathering up this rainwater to use because my capacity for the rainwater is reaching maximum. I'm going to reuse and recover some of this rainwater and use it for something better because I'm already at max capacity. So I'm taking advantage of some rainwater to wash laundry and do laundry and wash clothes with. Definitely on a cold cycle. So I'm dialed in on, notice the CR right there, and you all can rinse and repeat this too. And like always, everyone,
As our world changes, we can adapt too. Skill and knowledge get better with practice. Can't help everyone, but one can help someone.